Students, those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Online students, am I audible? Am I audible, students? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. I hope in the previous class. So we already completed number of approaches to reuse global variables, functions, and what? Classes. So the first approach is clear. So I said in the last part, this is the notes I was uploaded already, and some examples also I did, students. We know that a module is a collection of variables, functions, and what classes. To reuse the features of module, that means variables, function names, and class names, we have two approaches. They are by using import statement, by using from import statement. First one, by using import statement. Import is a keyword. The purpose of import statement is that to refer or access the variable names, function names, class names of module in the context of current program. So we have four ways: import module name, import single module. Examples: syntax number two, import module name one, module name two, module name n. This syntax import multiple modules. Now I said this example. This is done. Syntax number three, import module name as alias name, single module with alias name, and I did that. Here also I did with the two aliases, module name. Okay, done. And this syntax import multiple modules with what? Unique alias names. And after that, students, you carefully follow. After importing the module names by using import statement, all the variable names and function names and class names must access variable names and function names and class names with respect to either module name or alias name. That is what we discussed. Module name dot variable name, function name and class name. This I did not explain to you because we so far we don't know what is meant by class name. Class name we don't know so far, correct? Don't worry about it. Or alias name dot what? Variable name, alias name dot function name, alias name dot class name. This part you least bother about it. These two things we already discussed it. Okay. Let me open our program once and then check it out. This is what I was executed. Have you practiced it? Got results? Hmm? Okay. So now I will move to the further. So here, just look into that place, go to your place once and then see, close this project, go to the modules here and see carefully. When you look at carefully, if you see, there I said, import syntax 1.p1, import syntax 1.p1. This is a one. I said ICACI import AOP. How I am accessing B name and ADDR with respect to what name? Module name. Here I wrote it. Module name dot variable name, module name dot function name. This is what I said. And one more thing is what? AOP, AOP dot its function name. Syntax number two you see, and importing all at once in the single line. There also module name dot variable name, module name dot variable name, module name dot function name. Third one, if you look at alias name, import module name as alias name. There I said B name is accessed with respect to what? Alias name. Here I said variable name accessed with respect to alias name. Function name accessed with respect to what? Alias name here. So that is what I'm doing here. Alias name dot alias name dot alias name dot what also? Function name I wrote it. Another place, multiple alias names I am giving in the same line. I'm accessing alias name dot and alias name dot. Here I accessed it. This is what I was already completed. Students, online students, this is what I was explained in. last class. Today, I'm going to introduce what? From import approach I'm going to take out. From import. Shall we start up? From import. Syntax number one you see. I'll take one file name. Very, very easy. C. I'm going to take it from import, statement, example syntax1.py, syntax1.py, syntax1.py. There I'm going to write it. You try to see, students. What is happening here? First one you see, import ICICI. Here I wrote what? ICICI dot ICICI dot ICICI dot. Is it not my waste of time of writing ICICI multiple times? You see syntax number 3 also. You see ICICI as IC dot IC dot IC dot. So every time I am writing IC, either I am writing alias name every time or I am writing ICICI like that I wrote it. But what I am looking today, from ICICI, from module name, import, what I am importing, B name, comma what, ADDR, comma what, simple INT. From this module, what are the things you are importing? Variable names and then what? Function name. So that I can write what? I can print as usual. Bank name I will print it. How I am printing the bank name and this one you see? Very, very easy. I'll print it. I never write ICICI dot. I never write ICICI dot. I never write ICICI dot. Simply I will call directly. Which one is the better? Writing every time module name is better. Directly referring that variable names is better. Directly writing is better. This syntax from is a keyword, import is a keyword. From this module, what you want to import, you can import. From shop, Cadbury and KitKat and then Kinder Joy. Not everything I want. I want only few things. I don't want any other things. From showroom, what you want to download, you can download. Are you getting this? So from this module, what you want to get it, you can use that so that I can refer directly. I am referring. I need not to write what module name. I need not write alias name. You need not write here. Module name dot is written in where? Written in using what? Import. But by using from import, am I referring directly or not? Try to run this now. Online students, you must notice this now. See the output of it. Say some 3,500, 3 and 4. You see the answer now. Am I getting the answer or not? This is what is the answer you got it. I think you are getting the main importance of this concept. Did you understand, students? This is the first syntax. What is the syntax? From module, import, global variable names, function names, and class names. If you want, you can go for it. Suppose it doesn't mean that you need to take everything. I will take whatever I want. Only B name I am taking. Only B name printed. Which one is error? Suppose address I am not using. So you are getting an address is an error. So it is having an error. Okay. Now coming to the, suppose I am taking here called what? ADDR. ADDR. This is called syntax number one. Syntax number two. In the last class only I said. In the last class only I said. You see the yesterday's class. It is our place. It is you see from import. Ale Hassan. Don't excite, my dear student. Try to follow me. Don't excite. Because of your excitement, I'm not responsible. You follow me. That's all. So that you will get colorful knowledge. Otherwise, waste of time. Syntax number one is completed. Are you able to follow? Syntax number one. Now I'm going to what? Syntax number two. You need to listen me. Otherwise, it is your time is wasted. My time is wasted to react on it. Because I'm a faculty which I react on everything when something is going wrong from your side. I'm going to talk about the second syntax. Ale Hassan, are you listening me? Now come to the point. After covering everything, if it is not covered, you have to ask me. So I'm the one, only one. I will cover everything. Don't excite. Follow me carefully. Now I'm going to write it. Now I'm going to take up from import syntax number two. Syntax number two. Here I'm taking from ICICI import B name. What is B name? What is B name? Global variable. Madhubabalu, don't tell branch name. B name is called what? Global variable. As C, I am writing as what? Bn. As Bn. Bn. I am giving an alias name for whom? Global variables. Earlier I give an alias name for what? Modules. Now I am giving alias name for what? Global variables. ADDR as what? AD. Simple interest as what? SI. SI. Are you following me? Now I can write what simple? Bn. And next I will write it what? AD. And I will write it what here? SI. SI. Are you able to follow now? Try to run. Try to run. You got see here 3000 and say 4 and then 6. Am I getting 7? Am I getting the answer or not? This is related to what? Giving an alias names for what? Global variables, function names. Sir, why this is most useful? What is the significance of this? Now I'm going to give you an example. Look at where I can use this. Everything is having its own importance. Go to one small example. Look at now I'm taking here called what? Faculty one dot, faculty one dot, faculty one dot py. There I'm writing, this is called what faculty one dot py. So here I'm writing faculty one dot py. There I'm taking f name. F name is equal to KVR. F name is equal to KVR. I just wrote like this. Next I'm writing what F subject is equal to subject. Sub is equal to Python. I just wrote like this. Which variables? Global variables. Right. Now this is called what name? What is this now? File name. And next is what? Module name. Module name. What is this now? DEF. Teach. Teach. I am writing teach. I am writing there. What is this now? Teachers. Teachers. What? I'll write like that. Dot format of F name, comma. What is this now? Sub. That's all. Okay. F name, comma. F name. Or you take name simply. Name. So I will write it what name. Are you able to follow now? This is like this. Finally, what happens? One more bracket. Error. So here, how you can call it now? Simply you can say what here? Teach off. So you will be getting the answer called what? KVR teaches Python. This is one thing that you keep it aside. Same to same, I will take it. One more example, students. Take care. Faculty2 dot py. Faculty2 dot py. There I am writing 2 dot py. Their name is KVR. Subject is called what here? Java. Java I am taking. Java I am taking. So here I am taking what KV, you take it. Now I am just writing. Here I am writing what now? Teachers. Teach. Try to run this now. Got the answer like this. Now, coming to the point back, remove that. Now I am writing one more thing. Here I am saying, writing here, faculty 12.py. Faculty 12.py. What I am doing now? Here I am writing faculty 12.py. Faculty 12.py. I want to print what? I want to access what? Name and sub and teach of what? Faculty 1. Faculty 2 also I want to access. What are the possible methodologies? What are the possible methodologies? Number 1, import what? Faculty 1. Import what again? So these are all very simple, basically. Import what, faculty 2, faculty 2. How do you print it now? I will say print of what? Faculty 1 dot what? Name. Faculty 1 dot what here? Name. Comma, what is this now? Faculty 1 dot what? Sub. Sub. Similarly, I will go for what? Here I will write it 2 dot name, 2 dot name, 2 dot name. Why 2 dot 1 dot 1 dot? Because same variables now. How I am calling with respect to what name? Module name. Run this. Happy. So I am getting KVR Python, KV Python. I will talk about here one more way. What is that? Faculty 1 dot what here? Teach. One more is called what? Faculty 2 dot what here? Teach. There also you try to run this now. Getting perfectly. This is one thing. You can take alias names also. Which alias names? Module alias names you can take. That is one thing. Let me take up. This is one thing. One more I will take it. One more. Let me go to that. Another way of doing it. Faculty 13 dot 13 dot py. See this now. Carry this. Here I am going to take up. What is this now? See. I will go for from concept here. What is this now? From. What is this now? Faculty 1 import what? Name, comma what? Sub, comma what? Teach. Teach. Similarly, what is this is happening? What is this is happening? Faculty 2. What is this now? Name, sub, teacher. Which one is given preference? Which I already said. Here, same variable name, same function name. I will print what here? Name, comma what? Sub, sub. Now I am taking what? Teacher. Which one will given preference? See that highlighting. This only will be given highlighting. Which one is given? Faculty 2 will be given. Faculty 2 will be given preference. KV teaches Java. Now if I go to this is 2, I can this I will change the order of it. I'll change the order of it. That time what is happening? That time you will be getting Python related thing is coming. Are you getting? Now how can I do this? How can I do this? This is what I'm going to take up. How can I do this? To do that, you have to apply your intelligence. What I said already, syntax number 2, you are giving alias name for variables names or not. Go to this place. Your intelligence as what? Come on, as what? N1, 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 comma sub as what? S1, as what? T1. Here what? As N2, as what? S2, as what? T2. That's all. So N1 comma, what is this? S1, S1. Here I will write it what? Print of T1 off. Next I will take it what? Print of some line here. What is the next? Print of what? N2 comma S2, S2. What is the next? T2, T2. So here we got it. Are we getting or not? So we have to apply our intelligence. Ale Hassan, are you okay? Comfortable in my class? Are you comfortable in my class? So coming to the point of it, this is called what? Syntax for what? Syntax for what? Giving alias names for what? Global variables. Right. So your doubt I am about to discuss in the syntax number 2. So your doubt is covered. So don't exit in my class. Is your doubt is covered or not? That's why carefully try to follow. Now I'm going to enter into the further syntax number 3. I'm going to talk about it. So let's go to syntax number 3. Syntax number 3 is called what? Is your doubt is completed? Ale Hassan, is your doubt is clarified? I'm taking you only. You asked that doubt. So I done. Respond it. Because when your doubt is there, doubt is clarified, then we will be moving forward. Ale Hassan. So coming to the point back. So you asked a doubt. For this case, if we have same local variable and it's same name, local variables are not going to be taken into shareability. What are the variables? First of all, doubt itself is wrong. That is local variables shareable. Local variables are shareable. Local variables are not. I thought that this is a doubt. Actually, by myself, I missed. Actually, this is a wrong doubt. This is called wrong doubt. This is for this case. If we have same local variable name, local variables and global variables are same. How do you differentiate in the same program? Globals. Globals function I said already. Local variables can be accessed only inside the body. I thought that he is asking good question. I thought this one. This is not at all a question. This is not at all a question. Local variables are accessed only within the same function body. You cannot access into where? Other program. What you can access only? Yes, you cannot access that. So I hope you must go for it. I thought I understand in a positive manner. Actually, this doubt is very wrong. So go to faculty one. Suppose I am taking name is equal to name. Name is equal to what I am taking? Hassan. I am taking Hassan. I am taking. But I am writing what here? What I am writing now? Globals of globals of what I am writing in that I am writing like this. Like this I am writing. Are you following? Here name is there. Here name is there. But what is my syntax? I wrote it here. Globals of name I wrote it. Which one will be given preference? You run this example. You run this example. What came? KV came. If I don't write what? Globals. If I don't write globals, everything is systematic. Everything is systematic. If I don't write that, what will come? So that will be coming. So see that what is coming here. Also giving you what? Global variables. Here, here, here. So local variable is given preference here. But a local variable value you cannot get it. In this place you cannot access it. In this place you cannot access. This is printing what? Here it is printing. Don't misunderstand. Here it is printing what? Local variable printing here only. You cannot access this name. Suppose name 1 is there, for example. You take like this. Name 1, you take it. Right, try to run this. What is happening? Got it. Now you try to access. Faculty 1 kada in this place. Try to access, comma, name, sub, comma, name 1. Name 1 as what? Some X. Name 1 as X. What is that? Name 1. Completely wrong in syntax. What is the name? Local variable. Local variables are not possible to access. So cannot import name from faculty 1 because it is going to be what error? Import error. Local variables cannot be imported. Are you understanding? What is the error name? Import error. That is what is the point. Actually, the doubt itself is a wrong doubt because in my beginning classes only, I said in my classes where I said in functions only, I said 4 p.m. in the functions here. If you observe it in the syntax of the functions, I said seventh point, I said seventh point, I said. Actually, this is a seventh point you must read out. The values of local formal parameters can be accessed only inside the corresponding function definition, but not possible to access in other part of the program and in other function definition. Scope of formal variable and local variable to that function only. Already that point is covered. Okay. I thought something different and he is asking something like wrong doubt. So that is finished. Are you able to follow? Right. So I covered here what something more elegancy. So try to remove that. And here these are having same variable names, also having same variable names and trying to access here with the modules and trying to access with what alias names also I gave. Understood? Well, go to the next last syntax. So this is syntax number 1. This is syntax number 1. And syntax number 2 giving the alias name for what? Global variables and functions. One more syntax I'm going to cover. Very, very easy. Go to the place. Here I'm going to take it. 3.py. 3.py. Go to the place. Here I'm taking. Or you take this. You see how I'm going to do this. Here I am saying from ICICI import star. Import star. Star means what? All. All. B name, ADDR, simple INT you have to call. When you say star, all of them will be coming. This syntax is in industry not recommended to use. Why, sir? Why not recommended to use? Because suppose if this module contains 100 global variables, 100 functions are there. If you use it, import star, all 100 things plus 100 functions are available into main memory of this program or not? Is it not waste of memory? But I am using how many? Two variables I am using, one function I am using. I am using only few of them, but unnecessarily these many number of things are coming to our place. Is it going to be a performance problem will come or not? That's why this syntax is industry not recommending, but as a teacher I am trying to share it. I hope you are following. Let us go to this place. I will remove that. Now I am writing what? Star. Try to run this now. This is 3.py. Try to run. I'm getting comfortably all the example. So 3000 and 4 and 5 got the answer. If you want one more example, I'll write it. From where AOP. What is this now? Import star. How do I write it now? Come on, students. What do you write it now? Sum OP of 1020 directly. Sub OP of 3040. 3040. Next is called MLOP of 4 comma 5. Try to run this now. I am getting the values 3000, 5 and 6. I am getting some related values also. Getting. This is related to what concept? Star concept. Is it recommended to use or not recommended? Not recommended. But as a teacher, I would like to say. So first one, importing from the module, import all the global variables. Second one, import global variable with alias name, global variable alias name, function name with alias name. Syntax number 3, import with what? Star. So that I can access them, everything. This is not recommended. So ultimately what we can say, import statement will give alias name to the module. Some import will give alias names to the global variables, function names and class names. Did you understand this? Well, come to this point. Online students, I hope it is more clear. Come on here, guys. Here I am going to say syntax number 3, syntax approach number 2. Come on. From here, from and import are the keywords. The purpose of from import statement is that to refer or access the variable names, function names, and the class names of any module in the context of current program directly without writing module name or alias name of module name. So no, I don't write module name dot. I don't write alias name dot variable. Directly I can access. Done or not? Directly we accessed or not? B name and ADD are directly accessed or not? Like that. So here directly we accessed it. Here we are accessing with what? Alias names we are accessing of what? Global variables. Continuation. We use from import in 3 ways. From module name, import variable names, function names, class names. This syntax imports the variable names, function names, class names of module. From calendar, import month. From AOP, import ADDOP, sub OP. From maths info, import PyND. From ICICI, import bname ADDR, simple INT. Getting? So, from next syntax, module name, import global variable names as alias name, function name as alias name, function name as alias name. Next is called what? Class names as what? Class names as alias names. Class names as alias names. This syntax imports global variable names, unique function names, class names with what? Unique names. If we give same names, latest one will be taken. See, from calendar, import month as what? M. From AOP, import ADDOP as A, sub OP as S, MLOP as M. See, two M's are same I am giving. Two M's are same. Which M will be given preference? MLOP. Are you following this? So you need to give different things. I will say MP. MP. Next, from maths info, import PI as P and E as K, because single letter need not to give alias name. No problem. From ICICI, import BN as B name as B, ADDR as N, simple INT as SI. Another last syntax. Import module name. From module name, import what? Star. This syntax imports all global variable names, function names, class names of a module. This syntax is not recommended to use because it imports required features of module and also imports uninterested features also. Uninterested features also imported and leads to more main memory space. That's why this is not recommended. Because as a teacher, I want to tell all the mechanisms. So this we should not use it. Understood now? So hence, after importing all the variable names and function names and class names, by using from import statement, we must access global variable names, function names, and class names directly without using module names as alias name. So variable name, function name, class name. We need to access like that. Are you following me? So hence, with the import statement, we can give alias name for module names only, but not for variable names, function names, and class name. Whereas with the from import statement, we can give alias names for what? Global variable names, function names, and class names, but not for module names. Are you able to follow? So this is related to what? Number of approaches to reuse the modules. This notes I was already posted to you yesterday. What is the folder name created when we use something as a module name? Double underscore PyCache double underscore. It contains file name dot cpython -312 dot pyc. Important. Okay, this is finished. Now I want to go for another important concept I want to cover. So let us move to the modules. That part is already covered. Now I will move to the further. Go to the another example modules. Let me open the index once. Let me open the index. Here you see this part is done and examples as done. Let me cover what here. This part I am going to talk. Reloading modules. Shall we discuss? Right. This reloading concept is required when we go to Django. When we go to Django. So that I would like to cover in the Python class only I want to take up. So let me start with the reloading concept. Reloading modules concept I am going to discuss and don't take much time. It is very easy also. Tell me what is the English meaning of reloading? What is the English meaning of reloading quickly? Reloading meaning. Reloading meaning. Ramakrishna saying that using it again. Correct. Using it again is called what? Reloading. What do you say? What do you say? You will say what they say. We also say the same thing. Is it? What is your knowledge? Nirkar Behra saying repeated same. Repeated same means we don't go for reloading. Reloading means I am telling obtaining new things. Obtaining new things by loading previously imported module. Obtaining new things. Obtaining new things. What you got it earlier, I want to get new things, which was already imported earlier. You will not understand, I know that. Take an example of cricket. You know cricket well. IPL you will watch. Even you are in the outside, you will open in mobile you will watch. Scoreboard, at least you will watch scoreboard. Scoreboard you will watch. Is it required? Huh? Is it required to watch IPL? Need to read Python notes. You will watch IPL? Yes, sir, I will watch. First, be perfect in Python. You will watch IPL. Ah, yes, sir. I will watch IPL. Who will read Python notes then? You will watch IPL. Huh? No, no problem. You will watch IPL. Yes. Scoreboard you will watch. Scoreboard you will watch, right? Now score is 24. Ball is called 9.2 overs or whatever it is. Next, after some time, one more ball played. What is the board changing? 9.3. 4 runs came. Is that 4 added to the scoreboard or not? Previously, what is that screen contains? Some status. When something played, is it changes or not? That means previously imported status is changed with what? New version. Same screen only. But what is the answer is coming? New values are coming. That is called reloading or called refreshing. Refreshing. Are you able to get it? What do you mean by reloading? Obtaining new version of the module. I am using one module. Somebody else changing that module while I am using it. When it is in use, when I am in use, externally they opened that module, they did some changes. And that changes I want in the next moment after changes. That is known as what? Reloading. One more example. Do you know shares? You know shares? Trading, you know? Any shares you are buying? Shares you will not buy. Books you will not buy. Python notes you will not read. You won't do anything. Okay, let it be. Do you know shares at least? No. Share market, you know? Is a share market is fixed, changes minute to minute changes. When I'm watching that share market graph, it is minute to minute changing now. The trading value is also changing now. So what is that means? In one moment, one cost. In next moment, that will be changed in the same browser window. Next cost will come or not. What that concept is called? Reloading. That concept I want to apply today. Shall I? So to reloading, there are two things are required. One is reloading person, reloading data to view somebody else is required. Cricket, you take it. Cricket. One person will update the score in the website, correct? And another people are viewing or not viewing. They are viewing or not. So two people are required. One is called what? Updating. One person will update in one system. Another person we will view that into another system. So how many people are working? Two. One person is doing what? Changing the data. Another people are doing what? Viewing the data. So here also I am doing the same thing. Shall I do that? Yes. Are you understanding the situation of that students? Did you understand the situation of that students? Please respond all of you. Did you understand what I said the meaning of reloading with these 2, 3 examples? Now I am entering into the example part here. So here I am going to enter into this. First, let me close this part. Now I am entering into one simplest example where you can quickly understand my context. See how simple it is. Now I'm taking shares, shares dot py, shares dot py. How simple it is, my dear students. Dot py. Now I'm taking def. What I'm writing? Share info, share information. There I'm writing. What is the share in? How do you represent the shares information? Just I'm asking. Share name, share value, share name, share value. How do you represent? How do you store? Share name, share value, share name, share value. How do you represent in Python? Come on, good. Come on, dict. Who said? Correct. Good, very good. Dict is a correct. Dict. I will say D is equal to some IT share, some IT share, 500 rupees. Some next is called what? Finance share is called something like, some 400, 400. Next is called something like automobile share. Okay, students, I'm not writing everything. So Nimita, so Sekhar, so I'm just writing 350. Next is called a forma share. So many number of shares are there that I'm not worrying about, students. Some just not written like this. Now I'm writing here written D I said. This is called my shares information I wrote. If you want, you can write the share information. Hundreds of shares you can write in the form of key comma value pair. This type of information you will come across even in the pandas level also. Right? You will come across this data. In pandas level also, we can take this information. Well, keep in mind. After finishing that, what I am doing now, main program I am writing here itself. What I am doing, shares information, which is going to return dictionary here. Print of what? D. If it is the same program, I am going to get it. So I got this data. This is well and good. This is called what? Simple program. It is available. What is the shares is called now? Come on fast. What is this is now? File name. And next is called what? Module name. This is module name. Let us move to the further. Let us move to the further. One more thing I am taking. See guys, all of you. Python file. There I am taking. Shares demo. Shares demo. Shares demo.py. Shares demo.py. Very, very important. There I am doing what? One main program I will write it. One main program I am writing. What is that? I am taking shares information. Share information. It is a function, correct? It is a function name that I am calling here. What is this is called function call. Function call. Error will come or not? Function call. Error. If I run this, you got name error. So I will get it. Import. What is this now? Shares. Import shares. I will write it here. What is this now? Shares. Shares. Dot what? Shares info. I will get it what? D is equal to. Print this D. Returning the dictionary data. You see this now. Got it. Getting or not? Now, practically speaking, I say display shares. Display shares of what I'm saying D. What is the display shares? Is a function name in the same program. I'm writing here display. What is this now? Shares of D. Now I'll print it here. What I'm doing now? Something like share name and backslash T share value I am saying. There I'm writing for share name and share value in where d dot what items d dot items print of what share name and backslash t share value format of what sn comma sv sn comma sv. There I am writing simply, there I am writing something like this. Take care. Now I am taking here like this. Here I am writing something like this. Here I am writing. Try to run this and see the data. Share name and then what? Share value. Okay. Now see students, here I am writing. So after this finishing, now I'm introducing what is my intention now. This is a share board or not? This is where I am buying it. This is where people are going to view it. Where I will change my data in shares.py. Where I am viewing my program, shares demo.py. Where I am updating shares. Where I am viewing, right. See, since I am doing both of them are there in which program? Same program. With the same system, both the programs are there. But in reality, shares program is there in one machine. Shares demo is there in another machine. So what they will do, two people are sitting on two machines. If that person is updating the share value, that automatically reflected to where share demo program. But here what I'm doing, Both of them are there in which place? Same system. Then how can I do that? How can I work on this place and this place simultaneously? Is it possible to work on the same place at the same time during the program execution? No. For that, I am applying one small technique. And if you follow me, first time I am using the technique. What is the technique? Just observe. Here, line number 13, I am writing one beautiful statement. What is that? I am telling to PVM, PVM, please go to sleep for 10 seconds. 10 seconds you go to sleep. Going to sleep means not like you, it is sleeping. PVM will stop executing the further statements until the sleep time is completed. Are you following? You did not understand. Traffic signals board is there or not? What is that now? 60. After that, what is happening? 59. After that, what is happening? What is this gap between 60 to 59? Sleep time. Between 59 to 58, what is that? Sleep time. Between 58 to 57, what is that? Sleep time. Like that. Today, I want to use one function called what? Sleep off. What is this? 10. Sleep is a function, not your sleep, 14 hours, 15 hours. No. Sleep is a function which is taking the value in terms of what? Seconds. Seconds. Every function of Python belongs to what? Every function of Python belongs to what? Come on. Module. Module. It is belongs to module. So say confidently. Don't say suspectingly. Today new batch started 11 o'clock. Beginning, I asked a question. Who is CSE? So many people raised their hands. They raised. One student raised two hands. He was standing there. He raised two hands. I don't know why he raised it. And I said, stand up. Do you know C language? He said like this. He said like that. Immediately, first question to that guy directly. First question, hash include. What is the use of hash? For you also, I forget to tell you that hash. Definitely, I will tell you that hash. By installing C software in my system, I'll show you once. I asked, what is hash include? This line is called preprocessor directive. What is the symbol called hash? He's saying that line is called, he's saying, I don't want the line. I want what? What hash will do, what it will do, like that I asked. He said, he folded the hands like this. He said, actually, earlier what? He raised both the hands. He did not say anything. Finally, do you know or not? Sir, I don't know, he said. Sit down. Now I asked next time. 18 members raised the hand. I counted. And next, who knows C language? I said. Nobody raised the hands. And next I asked, who is ECE background students? Nobody. Who is engineering students? I asked. No. Because engineering common subject beginning first year, one common subject is there. Nobody raised hands. MCA people also did not raise the hand. One of my relative also there in the MCA. I know that he is an MCA. He also did not raise the hand. He is not looking at me. He is just hiding behind the students. Actually, he's a very far relative. I did not tell him. Somehow he came to my class. I looked at him. He is just hiding behind the students like that. Actually, I want to make him stand up. Why unnecessarily asking questions in the class? Relatives means problem now. You will tell to in the home also. He asked me a question and problem. That's why relatives should not be there in the class. Let it be. That was the today's updation. And I asked obviously question, what is OS? Same, your answer also they gave. Finally, I just wash out the mindset today. Keeping all cleaners I kept. I pushed this water bubbles and I put their mind and cleaned today. And finally asked 0 to 9, what is your scale of education? Everybody said 0. And Suma G said, sir, big 0. She said big 0. So one student said, sir, today only we realized that we don't know anything. So far, we are thinking that we know something. We realized that today only we don't know anything by seeing that questions. That is what is happening. Natural. All are same. But from here, your race, how well you practice, that matters a lot. Correct? Answer. Answer. Sleep is called a function. Every function belongs to what? Module. Module. So, module. So that module I am writing, name of the module is called a time dot what? Sleep. Now time is a red underline. Why time is a red underline? I need to import. I need to import. Okay, students, time. I said I will import what? Time. Okay, if you feel confusion, I'll write what? Import time. Shall I run my code? Okay, see students, I'll write before that because you can't understand the effect of it. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep for 10 seconds. Yes is yes. 10 seconds. Here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. I'm coming out of sleep. I'm coming out of sleep. I'm coming out of sleep after 10 seconds. Please run this code and see this now. See this carefully. It is here. Cursor is blinking or not here. Cursor is blinking. Now Python PVM is not executing anything. After 10 seconds, is it coming out or not? Again, I will say. మీరు ఎక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు నాకు తెలియదు. I don't know where are you looking. So here you need to look. So here the cursor is blinking. After 10 seconds, you are in this time, I will go to which program? Shares program. There I will do the changes. Those changes I want after coming out of the sleep time. Did you understand that? Once again, going to sleep for how many seconds? Meantime, I will go to where? Shares program. I do the changes here. That changes I want to get it in where? Shares demo program. That is known as which concept? Reloading. Are you getting? Simple. When you are sleeping, adjacent to you, there are 6 chocolates are there. When you wake up, only 2 chocolates are there. When you wake up, you are under the impression that 6 chocolates are there. But when you wake up, only 2 chocolates are there. Will you get 6 chocolates under the impression or 2 chocolates? 2 chocolate getting means you are reloading that. Correct or not? Same thing. Now I am entering into further. See, I'll go to further. After going to the sleep, I want to get what status? Modified status of my module. I will carry as it is. I'll carry as it is. Very serious about my coding. See that after coming out of sleep, how many seconds? 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Now I'm going to take it what? Display this D. Are you able to follow now? Are you following this? This is known as what? Making the PVM to pause. Pause means what? Make it to wait. For how much time? And after this pause time, I'll go to which program? Shares demo. I will do the changes here. Those changes I want to get back here. Are you following? Shall I do that? Look at, I'm running my code. See here, I'm not doing any changes now. I'll just trial run for you. I'm not doing any changes. Even after coming out of it, same data will come. Same data came or not? Come on, come on. Yes. Now I'm going to do this now. I will increase the time, students. 20 seconds I'll take it. Because ample of explanation I need to give. Go there. Now see, 20 seconds. Meantime, no tension at all. Go there. It is called 1500, 1400, 13, and 1200. Do the things and see this now. Here it is coming out. Here, old values only will come. New values will not be coming. Are you getting my point? Old values only I got it. New value is not coming. Why? Because I did not use any instruction for reloading my module. Are you getting my point? See, I'm running again. When I'm running again means which value will come? Now this value will come. Are you getting? Do. Again you do. I got rerunning. Go to the place. Here I will do what I'm doing. 15 rupees, 15 rupees, 14 rupees, and then 13 rupees, and then 12 rupees. 12 rupees. Now see this now. Go to this place and see the result of it. What values are coming? Old values only will be coming. New values are not coming. How to get the new values? That I am going to write it. Did you understand the situation now? Actually, when you are working on two systems, so sleep time is not necessary. Because I am using single system to demonstrate the reloading concept, I am using what? Sleep concept I am using. Okay. Come to students. Here I am going to take up a very beautiful thing. I'm going to take it. When you come out of the sleep, when you come out of the sleep, I'm going to do, come on, reloading, reloading the previously imported module, imported module, imported module. For that, we use what function? Reload function. Every function of Python belongs to dash module. Which module it belongs to? Actually, it belongs to which module? IMP module. Actually, it is related to IMP module. As on today, IMP module is removed in Python 3.12. Python 3.12, this module was removed. It was there up to 3.11. Sir, why I am telling that? Because when you are working on project, somebody else might be used IMP module. See, IMP dot, what is that now? Reload of, what I am saying, your module name. What is the module name? Shares. See, red underline. I will say here, what is this now? IMP. IMP module is done. IMP module. IMP module. Here I did. IMP module red underline is there or not? What is that red underline says? What is an error? Come on. Import error. Import correct day. Import is correct only. What is an error? Huh? Name error. Module not found error. Option A, module not found error. Option B, name error. Option C, import error. Option D, syntax error. This is a module which is giving, see that now, it is going to give you what? Module not found error. No module named called what? IMP. This module was removed. Which error it is? Module not found error. Getting or not getting? In 3.11, it will work out. When you go for 3.11, you will get IMP will come. IMP will come. And immediately you will get strike off. Like that strike off also will come. What that strike off indicates? It is marked for removal in where? 3.12. Are you getting? In 3.11 only they said, we are going to remove this in where? 3.11, it is there. In 3.12, it is going to be removed. In 3.11, they said, you are using IMP. From now onwards, don't use this IMP. In 3.12, this is named as what? It is deprecated as what? Changed as what? Import lib. Import lib. Import lib. What is the name of the module? In 3.12, this module is given on the name of what? Import lib. This is known as what? Changing the old module into new module is known as a deprecation. Spell out. Deprecation. Deprecation. Deprecation means what? Adding some new facilities and then changing the old name to new name is known as a deprecation. Spell out once. In software industry, will come across the word called deprecation. What do you mean by deprecation? Adding something to the older one and releasing a new name is called a deprecation. Are you following? A small example. There is a student name called what? Naveen. Naveen, Nivin. Just example. Any Naveen is there? Don't feel it. Any Naveen here? You are Naveen, huh? Okay. Okay, anything. Some name, I will take it. Some name. XYZ is a name. I think nobody is there in XYZ. XYZ is the name of the student. So XYZ is not doing well, not reading properly, not doing anything, feeling disappointed, sad. Parents felt that XYZ is not feeling well, and then they approached to one numerologist. They approached to numerologist. Numerologist said that his name is not XYZ. You change it to what? Some new name. Some new name. Some new name you go for it. Some new name is there what? X, Y, Y, Z. They said like this. They said like that. What is this XYZ is called? It is known as a deprecation name, new name it is. After changing his name, he started reading well and happy and everything is done. Something like that. And don't tell this example in interview point of view. Deprecation means adding something new and then changing. Like that. What is my name here? Come on. Import lib. Are you watching this? Here I am going to write it what? Come on. Import lib. Import lib. Dot what function name? Reload. Of which module? Sets. Be careful. Now see that. See the result of it. Online students. Oh, Naveen. One more Naveen is also there. One more Naveen. Actually, I want to tell whose name is called Naveen. Nivin. They felt that it changed by the numerologist as what? Naveen. V. So V means what? Some success story. It's numerologist secret formula. So this is old name. This is called a new name. This is IMP module and this is called what? Import lib module. Like that. Are you able to follow? Try to run this now. Start. Go to my place, shares demo, and change it as 150 rupees, 100 rupees, and this is 140 rupees, 130 rupees, 122 rupees, and try to see now. Students, observe it. Now observe it. What values are coming, you see. Reloading mechanism is done. Am I getting changed values or not? Changed values, I got it. Are you able to follow? Right. Let me go for one more small thing. Again, I will do. What is the common mistake you will do after going to home? I'll tell you. What is the common mistake you will do? I will call once again the same mechanism. Once again the same mechanism. I will do the same thing once again here. See, got it. After reloading, I'm going to 20 seconds. Let it be as it is here. Reloading. Done. Which module it is? Import lib. Which was deprecated from where? IMP module. Here I will write it. Deprecated from which module? IMP module. So anybody ask you what is IMP module? Please keep in mind this type of answer. So you will import import lib IMP module you will import lib. IMP module is 3.11 available. 3.12 is completely removed. Will you remember that? Okay. Come on, start. How many times I am reloading? I imported one time. I reloaded one time here. Again I am reloading. That means two times I changes. Come on, run. See that. Go to your place. Here I am going to change it to this place. 10 rupees, 14 rupees, and 13 rupees. Let it be. I did save. Look at that. Do the changes here. I'm getting the data. Changed data is coming. Three times I changed it. Last one I kept as it is. Again go to the place. Again go to the place. Here it is called 1 1. Here 1 1. Here 1 1. Here 1. Now see. Here I am going to get it. See what is happening now. You see. You will get old value only. Why you are getting old value only? See what values I got it. New values. New values. Because I pressed what? Control S over there. Which value I pressed? Control S. You did not understand. Once again, go there, go there. See students, go here, come. This is the values. Go there. Here I did 1 rupee. Next 1 rupee and 3 rupees. 3 rupees. Coming to this place, here, see. What the values are coming? What the values are coming? 1 rupee. Here I will go to the place. Here I will go to the place. Here I am going to take 11. Here 12. Here 31. Here something like 2. Coming to this place. Coming to this place. Your output window is going to get it. And before only it is coming out, I think so. Are you able to follow? So here 111. I got it the changed values or not? Are you observing? Now the point I am saying is once you do the changes here, in PyCharm, you are supposed to do the changes, automatically it is reflected. But in the case of what? PyCharm is giving what? Auto delay concept. What is the auto delay concept? The moment when you do the changes here, automatically that will become saved. Suppose if we go for working on Edit Plus, anywhere else if we go for Edit Plus, that time you are after doing the changes in where? Shares place, you have to press what? Control plus S you have to press. I think you are following me. మీరు follow అవ్వరుగా నాకు తెలుసది. I'll take this example. Go to the place. Here I am taking where? Because you are always looking into different way. You did not try to understand. This is my program. Save it. Where I am saving it? Go to your place, E:4 p.m. I say modules. I say notes. Okay. Here you save it as what? What is the program name? Shares demo. Dot what? Py. Okay. You bring the another program. Here you bring it. Which program I am getting? This one. You try to get this also. In this place, you try to say. Go to this now. Others. And say here. And say here. Save this now. Shares.py. Go to the place. E:. Go to 4 p.m. Modules here. There I will say. Save it. Shares.py. There I say. Come out of that. Here I will go to it. Go to the command prompt. Here I say CMD. Go to CMD. I'm taking in an overall sense how you need to do it. I'm saying E:, K.V.R, Python, 4 p.m, CD, modules. There you go. How many programs I'm having here? 2 programs. One is shares.py. One more is what? Shares demo. Be careful. Now I'm going to take out. Run this code. How do I run? Py. What is my program name? Shares demo.py. Shares demo.py. Here I am writing shares demo.what? Py. Take care. This is the one. 10 seconds. Go. Where I am going? Which program? This one. You take it 1. You take it 1. I did not save. See that. What happens? I did not save. Only changed. I did not press Control S. Which values will come? Just look at. Here what values will come out? What values I got it? Old value. Still I did not save. I changed it, but still I did not save. What values are coming, you see? Still old values only will come out of it. So after this is completed, you will get old values only. What is my intention? Once you do that, still old values came. Go back here, run again. Now you run again. Run again. Say, see, run again. Old value still only. Go there. Now you press what? Control S. Now you see. Now you see. My intention is after doing the changes to the shares, you say control S. That is my intention. In PyCharm, you need not to do, I said. Got the changed values or not? Go there, once again 1 rupee, once again 2 rupee, 12 rupees, and once again these 2 rupees. Say control S. Now see that you will get the changed values. What I am saying, irrespective of your IDE, irrespective of your environments, control S you press, I am saying. Are you getting? That is my intention. In PyCharm, not necessary. In Edit Plus, necessary. But in all the environments, you press what? For your safety purpose. That is the message I want to convey. This you got it up? Fine, students. Online students, is this points is clear for everybody? Is these points are clear for everybody? I hope reloading concept is clear. Reloading is clear? Can I show you the reloading concept now? Come on now. I'll go to the reloading concept once and then see. Come on, what do you understand the reloading concept starts? Come on, everybody read out. To reload a module in Python, we use a predefined function called reload of, which is present in import lib module. Syntax, import lib dot reload of module name. And please keep in mind IMP module. That you have to remember, because old things I'm not writing in the notes. Come on, purpose or what? Situation. Reload reloads a previously imported module. What is my previously imported module? Shares. That only I am doing what? Reload. Previously imported module only I am reloading. Newly imported module need not to reload. Previously already imported. To get the new changes in that module, to get the up-to-date changes, to get the new changes in the module, I will go for what? Reload concept. See, I'm going to. If we have edited the module source file, and separately I'm opening, editing, and by using external editor, edit plus, I am opening it. And if we want to use the changed values, updated values, or new version of previously loaded module, we use reload function. Example, same example is available here. You can go for that. Are you following? Very, very small concept, good concept also. Are you following? What is the question in the interview? How do you reload a module? Concept is simple. Import lib dot reload of. Writing, coding, and then showing in the single system is an important. How do you exhibit in your system? That is an important. So if you say, I need two systems, if you say like that, they'll say you don't know anything. In the same system, if you say, okay, I will give two systems, will you do it? What you will say? You need to have a network also. Those two systems must be in the network. So who will establish the network there? That's why in the single system, you have to show this. That's why I said the sleep concept for you. Clear? Online students, is it clear for everybody? Now this is the concept of reloading module. I hope that reloading. See, implementation of reloading module by using IMP module, deprecation mechanism, by using import lib module, reload function we used it, and example on that we did. Okay, open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Look at which will implement the following. Already you have written that, but I'm writing once again here in terms of module. So modules will give you what? In software development, parallel development it will provide. Parallel development means what? Somebody will write some task, somebody will write some other task, somebody will write some other task. Combined together will become final task. Example, look at. I'm giving in a small example point of view as a case study here. I am writing here arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Here I am just writing it. What is this? You try to enter. Try to enter. What I am doing now? Here I am trying to write it. First one called what you know? Addition. Second one is called what? Subtraction. This is the one. And third one is called what? Multiplication. Multiplication. And the fourth one is called what? Division. And the fifth one is called what? Something like modulo division. Modulo division. And the fifth one is called what? Exponentiation. Now floor division and everything I'll take in the division only. And the next is called what? Sixth I will take it as what? Exit. Now this is my case. What is this now? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. This is what is my screen. This is what I'm going to say. Depends on your things. I need to go for it. How to develop this using modules? This you have to develop by using what? Modules. Write down quickly. You write down that. Write a Python program to implement the following by using modules. You add the word by using modules. By adding the word called by using modules, then you start writing that. Okay. Look at all of you. So what is the thing here? If you want to develop that, it takes a lot of time. That's why I'll split this task. Number one, file system antanu ikkada. File system dot file system I am preparing. Generally, how the task will be done. When a big task is given, I'm taking something like this. What I'm doing now, menu.py. What is the menu.py? One module it is. It is called one module. File name and the next what? Module name. In that module, what I am taking? Menu function I am taking. Inside the menu function, I am defining this. Ardhamavutunda? Next, I will go for what? Operations.py. Operations.py. What is this is known as? File name dot. File name and what next? Module name. This will be developed by somebody. This will be developed by somebody. Inside of that, what I am doing? ADDOP. Next is called what? Sub OP. Next I am doing what? MELOP. MELOP. DIVOP. Next is called mod OP. And I am writing what? EXPOP. EXPOP. These are the file name come module name. And what I will write it now? What I will write it now? One main program I will write it. Main program means what? I will import this and everything I will do. It is your own choice. You can write any number of modules. What I am writing now, I will take it. AOP demo.py. What is this is known as main program. I am going to take it. This is my file system. Shall I develop this? Go. Here I am going to take menu.py. How? Go to the edit plus. You can do it in where? You want to go to this place, huh? Go. PyCharm, go to this place. See students. Here I am taking, I am staying there. Menu.py. There I am writing. Here, what is this now? File name and what? Come on. Module name. Tell me what should I do? What should I do? Buddha DEF menu. Once it is a module name, compulsory mod function is required or global variable name required. Why are you not seeing that quickly? So here I am writing is equal to star 50. Here I am writing 50. I will write it here. What is this now? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. There I am trying to take it. There I am trying to take up. Here I am going to take up. There I will say, what is this now? Backslash T 1. What is this now? Addition. This is called addition. Second one, I am going to take up backslash T 2. So what is this now? Subtraction. Print of what I will take it? Backslash T 3. What is this now? Multiplication. Multiplication. Print of what now? Backslash T 4. What is this now? Division. Print of what next? Backslash T 5. What is this now? Modulo division. Modulo division. Print of what next? Backslash T 6. What is that? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. And print of what next? Backslash T 7. What is that? Exit. That's all. It is a menu. Now I will take it next. My menu is ready. Next I will take it what? Come on. Operations.py. Operations.py. There I will write it. What is it now? File name and module name. There I will write it DEF ADDOP off. Done. I'll write pass. I'll say here what is this now? Sub. What is the pass? What is the pass? What is the pass? What is the pass? మధుబాబులో నాకు కూడా తెలుసు కీవర్డ్ అని. You further next what is that? I want next. If you say irregular answer, that is not correct. What is the next? EXPOP. Pass is the keyword which instructs the PVM and Python compiler not to consider indentation block. Other words, pass is the keyword which instructs the PVM and Python compiler bypass the indentation block. Pass is a keyword which instructs the PVM and Python compiler neglect the indentation block. Three answers I said. What is the pass? Keyword. Keyword. What is that? I don't know keyword. I asked last month also keyword only. This month also keyword. Next month also keyword. When you will grow, when your mindset will grow, total new habits will come every day. New habits will come. Mobile, Bluetooth, keeping earbuds, everything modern fashion is updating. Subject not updating. What? Do something. Fulfill your parents' dreams. Simply living, staying in Hyderabad, not doing productive work. Parents don't know what are you doing. If they ask me, I will tell them live. I will conduct live. I will ask question in front of them. Parent will watch. They will say, "Sir, ask my daughter and son." That time you will hide like this. I will locate that student only. Do something good. Come on. Go to next main program. Main program I am going to. AOP dot what? AOP dot py. AOP dot what? Py. So coming to that. So here coming to this. AOP dot py. What happens? AOP demo dot py. Yeah. AOP demo dot what? Py. Go. What is that AOP py.py? Online students carefully try to listen. What is this now? Here I am writing AOP demo dot what? Py, which is known as which program? Main program. What I am doing now? Menu is a function name. If I call it error, name error came or not? Yes, menu is a function present in which module? Menu module. Import from menu, import menu. From menu, import menu. What is this menu? Module. What is this menu? Huh? What is this menu? Module name. What is this menu? Function name. Function name. That only you say. When I ask second time, don't lose your confidence. I'm checking how stable you are. What is the first menu? What is this menu? Simple. Execute. Here. Got it. What is this now? Arithmetic operation. Ready or not? You say one more way I will ask you. Don't lose the confidence, students. Import what? Menu. Menu dot menu. Menu dot menu. What is the first, what is this menu? What is this menu of? What is this menu? Simple. Menu, run this. See the answer. Same. Next, menu as M. Menu as M. What is that M? Huh? Alias name for module. C. Answer. Same. Next, next, all the way, all the way. See, I'm going to do from menu, import, import menu, import menu as M. I'm saying M of. What is menu? What is this menu? What is this M? Alias name to function. Alias name kada. Alias name to module, alias name to function. There everything in front of you. See that output. Anyway, you can comb your hair once you have hair on the head. No hair, bypass road, ring road, general dialogue, everyday dialogue. So, alias name to the module, alias name to the function. So, come to the point of it. You don't comment on my hairstyle. Basically, I'll go for a very low hairstyle because heavy hairstyle, energy waste. Very small hairstyle because of advantages or what. Of course, you are students, you have your face fashion. My subject, mine is subject fashion. Small hairstyle, energy saved, time saved. Number two, money saved. I'm seeing that on all the ways I'm saying to you. You know, students, come to the point. So, hmm, Chinnababu, your hairstyle is very good, sir. When you have seen, my dear student, you are in online. You have seen maybe in the this Google, you might be seen. So, K.V.Rao, this one, go to images. Maybe you have seen this hairstyle like that. Okay, come on. Anyhow, my thing is subject I'm talking about. So 27 years I'm teaching means you can understand how much a tension, pressure. If you are there in front of me, pressure only will be there, right? So, Hemanath, today sir on Insta Reels, yes. Okay, not a problem. Come on to the topic. So you are diverting me unnecessarily. Are you following? Now, come on. I'll say CH is equal to int of what? Input of what? Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Now I am taking what? Match CH. Match CH. Are you following me? Now, what is this? Case 1. What is the function name I will call? Add OP. Add OP. Come on, next what? Case 2. What is this now? Sub OP. Sub OP. Case 3. What is this now? MLOP. Next is what? Case 4. What is that now? DIVOP. Case 5. Case 5. What is that? Huh? Mod OP. Next case 6. Case 6. Come on, students. EXPOP. And case 7. Case 7. What is that? Print of what? Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. And say what? Sys dot what? Exit off. Sys is a module or not? Import what? Sys. Moreover, come on, import what? From. From where? Operations. Import. ADDOP. Sub OP. See, when I'm writing those things, here red underlines are going one by one. Next is called what? MLOP. Gone. Next is called DIVOP. Gone. Next is called mod OP. Gone. Next EXPOP. Gone. You may ask a question, sir, instead of writing everything, can you write star? When I write star, all of them gone. But star is not recommended. Here, okay. But in reality, it is not recommended. Are you following, students? Good. Go to, I will write one more thing, case double underscore. What is this now? Your selection of operation, your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. Try again means I need to go for taking the to the top of the loop or not. I will write it here. Come on, what is this? While true, while true, I said, take this entire thing inside. Take this entire thing inside. So here it is available. So Hemnath, today sir on Insta Reels. Is it released in today? Is it released in Insta Reels today? Hemnath. So coming to this place, this is available. Your selection of operation is wrong. It is going to be showing the menu once again. Okay, maybe new batch now. New batch maybe it is available. Introduction to the course might be they released it. Okay, are you able to follow? But here ADDOP, what they did? ADDOP. I need to write the logic or not? Yes. What logic you will write, students? A comma B is equal to float of what? Input of. Input of. I will say what next? Comma. I will write it like this. I say here print of what? Enter two values. Enter two values for what? Addition. Enter two values for addition. See students, print of sum of first value, second value is equal to dot format of a comma b comma a plus b. Beautiful. Similarly, I will come to this place and I'll try to write it. Enter two values for what? Subtraction. Here I will write it what? Minus. Here I will write sub. Sub. I will say here next like this. Enter two values for what? Multiplication. Multiplication. There I am writing what you know? Star. I say here MUL. MUL of. I say next what? Come on. Division. DIV. Division. I say DIV. Division. So there I am taking A slash B and I will take it what you know DIV, DIV. Normal division, floor division also I will take it here. There I will write it. What is this now? Floor underscore division. Floor underscore division. I say here what? Double slash. Next I will take it more, one more time. I'll take this one. What is this now? Modulo division. Modulo division I will take it. So modulo division. There I will write it mod of what is this? Percentage. Here I will write it simple. Here I will write it. Carry this. Here I am writing. Say here. This I will remove. In something different way I'll write it. What is this now? Enter base. Enter what? Base. And next is called what? Enter what? Hmm. Come on, come on. Enter power. Power. That I got it. What is this now? POW of A star star B. That's all. I finished my operational task. Menu task done by somebody. Operational task done by somebody. This is an integration task. I am using integration. Integration means combining all the people's module in one place. Getting or not? Okay. Try to run this. Beautiful output will be ready to come. I say 1. I say 1. See that. Enter two values. 10, 20. Got the values. Menu showing again. I say 2. 100 and what? 34. Got the result 66. Enter the value called 3. I say 23 and then 4.5 and 4.5. I got my result like this. Next, enter the 4. Now I'll say 130. I got my result. This, you know that. Next is called what you know? 5. 5. 10 and say what? 4. I got it. Remainder is called 2. 4 to the 8. 10 minus 8, 2. I say 6. Enter the base. 4. enter the power 4. 4 to the power of 4 is called 256. And say something like, enter your choice. I'll say 123 is my choice. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. And you'll say something like -2. Same selection of operation is wrong. Try again. I'll say 7. It is going to exit the program. Are you following? So this code says what? When big task is given, decompose the task into smaller pieces. Each small piece is called one module. Module, if I bring into one program, that will become a total program task. Did you understand the modularity here? Dividing the big program into smaller pieces. That smaller pieces task I will write in one module, another module, another module. At the end of the day, we will combine all the modules. It will become what? Big program. Oh, eating chewing gum is not good. Already I said to you once, beginning, I made you to throw it out. Still you are eating. Actually, I recognize it in middle, but I forget to tell because I concentrated on subject. Anyhow, don't take inside. Next time, don't repeat. Yesterday only I made you to stand backside. Second time repetition you are doing. So, come to the point back here. Now I'm going to say, every fashion, everything is there here, ringtone, what is this year. Last Sunday, I went to that JEE Advance. There, one student here in JEE Advance, even for girls, earrings also removing, chain also removing, everything. They're removing these chains and everything. And one boy came for one ring on this only. And that security person found this. Remove, he said. He is removing, not coming. What to do? What to do? Ear kata. How to do? So, what to do? You're not allowed. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So many people tried. So I gave one idea to that guy. I was standing there. I said, adjacent to that one mechanic shop is there. There is a school. Is there or not? You just turn it. It will. He went there. Adjacent to that one shop is there. One small tires puncture shop is there. They cut came. Actually, there is a reason. Scientific reason is there for this. Actually, scientific reason is also there. Keeping what is this? Earrings for boys for one. It is a fashion. People will feel. Actual reason is when you have hole here for ear, it prevents heart attacks. It seems heart attacks. But don't do everybody don't go to the shop now itself. Actual reason is that. That is the reason. But the students are feeling fashion. Girls, you see, they won't get it. That is the reason I studied somewhere. And don't try to do everybody. It's not good in sometimes. And keeping both of them here means problem. Okay, students. Anyhow, my topic is over and time is also. So something new we are getting today. Are you following? Yes. So here we did tomorrow class concept. I'll go for what? Packages. Package. Extension of modules will come. Don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you. All the best. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Am I audible, students? God bless you. Okay, students. Any more doubts are there? Please raise your hands. Srinu, sir, I have a doubt regarding Why we are not require alias name for single variable? You can take it, ma, no problem. For single variable, you can take it. For multiple variables, you can take it. Alias names are going to be unique, I said. You can take it. You can take it, no issue. I did not say that not at all required. You can take it, no issue. I think you are following me. Srinu, students who are in the online, Saraswati, why we are using import lib, sir? Seema, I said na already. Import lib is for what purpose? To use reload function. Reload function is belongs to the import lib. If we import lib, then only you will get the other thing. This you can use it. Without importing module, how can you use it? That is the point. Okay now. So today I'm going to upload some number of questions for you students. You try to practice well. Okay, students. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class.